So guys, if you're a software engineer, if you're a programmer, if you're a developer, or if you're into the technical field, you must be having a dream to work with Microsoft, because Microsoft is one of the biggest company in world and it is one of the biggest brand. And of course, if you will work with the Microsoft, it will give you an exposure in your resume and it will give you a good opportunity in future also. So hey guys, this is Sheetal and I welcome you all on my channel Sheetal Rudraksh, and in today's video I'll be sharing the opportunities with Microsoft. So two positions I'll be sharing here. So before we move forward and we discuss about the profile, I just want to thank you all because you guys are giving lovely response on this new channel. This is just a baby channel and you guys are giving lots of love to this channel. I have posted one of the video day before yesterday where I've shared the profiles of Infosys. So I've got lovely response. So I just have a request, guys, keep supporting me, and if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe because you will be getting very relevant content on this channel. And guys, the profiles which we will be discussing here, these will be your work from home profile. There's one profile which is 100% work from home, another profile is 50% work from home, so that will be working on your hybrid model. So as I said, there are two profiles, so let's discuss about our first profile now. So the first profile is for the software engineering candidates, and this is a profile of customer engineer Azure Fast Track. And you can see here this profile is 50% work from home, so that is a hybrid model. And if you will see the responsibilities, guys, so you'll be working as a customer engineer FTA, and you will be primarily working with customer in providing thoughtful guidance and sharing best practices to ensure reliable, scalable, secured and cost optimization deployment of their infrastructure application on Microsoft Azure. Some of the key responsibilities will be including directly engagement with the customers and partners to validate and provide the exciting solution for Azure migration and the modernized partner. And you will be working with the customer project. You will be providing the knowledge and insight to build the customer confidence and drive customer resilience, and you will be driving the product improvement by capturing product related feedback. So whatever the feedback you will be receiving from the customer, you will be driving the product accordingly. You will be contributing to documentation through samples, script, blogs, architecture and best practices. You will be partnered with the FTA program manager in helping them in scope of pre-qualified complex projects. So this will be a profile of completely software engineering. And if you will talk about the technical knowledge and experience, you should have understanding of Azure fundamentals such as governance, networking, security, monitoring, business continuity and management. So you should have knowledge of these. Cloud solution architecture skills are required. If you have experience with designing and developing solution, in that case you can apply here. And you should have experience with the ability and lead customer with two or more following. So Azure DC migration or Azure virtual desktop or Azure vMware solution or Azure landing. So any of these handling you must have done, and you will be getting the amazing benefit and perks if you will be working with the Microsoft. So the benefits are industry leading healthcare facility you will be getting. You will be getting the giving programs, maternity and paternity benefits, paternity leaves and maternity leaves you will be getting. You will be getting the discount on product and services of Microsoft. So if you want to buy any product from Microsoft, you will be getting the discount on this. You will be getting the saving and investment plan, educational resources they will be providing you, opportunities you will be getting to network and connect. So here they have not mentioned about that how many years of experience they required. If you have done internship and if you have handled these things, in that case also you can apply. So as a fresher also you can apply for this position. Let's move to the another position. This is 100% work from home position, and the people who want to go for the program management, this profile is available for them. And if you want to apply for this position, you should have at least 3 years of experience on Azure specific solution and infrastructure, including experience into 2 or more core Azure development technologies like modern framework, stack development, modern cloud architecture, methodologies and tooling or data access technology. So you should have experience onto this. And the responsibilities if we will talk about, so you will be conducting architecture design review session and workshop to advise startups. You basically are working with the startups and ISV. So they have already mentioned that the profile is for the customer engineer for ISVs and startups. And if we'll talk about the location, so it is available available for 2 locations in Bangalore, and the first position which we have shared is available for actually 3 locations: Bangalore, Hyderabad and Noida. So guys, if you are ready to go for this position, I'll be giving you link in the description box. You just need to click on the link, and once you will be click on the link, you will see the complete job description which I have shared here. Then you will see the apply button. So you just need to click on the apply button, and you will be getting 4 options to sign in. Sign in with Google, sign in with LinkedIn, sign in with Facebook, or sign in with the Microsoft. So you can sign in from any of the website and then you can apply here. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for those people who are looking for the program management or to the software engineering. And I hope that I've covered the maximum details in this video. But still, if you have any question, any doubt, any query, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll be really happy to help you out. I'll see you soon with a new uninformative video. Till then, take care and keep supporting me.